Hello, all you lovely people. Welcome back to my channel, Everything Under the Sun. And yes, as you can see, I have. How can you not buy an accessory or a beautiful case for your phone, especially all the girls who love all the glitter like me? And earlier for my Redmi phone, I also had a glitter case, and this I ordered from Amazon. Yes, this is not a gel glitter, but the glitter that stays in place. And let me put it on and show you guys how it looks. And it is not that soft, it is quite sturdy. So this is how my glittery iPhone case looks like, and this is really good. I think all you girls should go and purchase this from Amazon. So this was about it, and the video doesn't end here. I have something else. So I have a parcel. I think you guys must have guessed it. This is an iPhone earphones, Apple earphones. Yes, I don't have the budget to buy AirPods now, but I went for the lighting connector earpods. And yes, these are wired ones, and it retails for 1900, and I bought it directly from the Apple store that I have in my iPhone. And let's get started and see how it looks. Okay, I need to open this. This is the seal. For a second I was like, oh my god, have they given me earpods? It looks so beautiful, if it was just this. But no, it's a wired one. It's okay. I'm happy with wired earphones right now. Okay, these are not these are expensive as well. I paid around 1900, and I have ordered directly from the Apple website. I mean the Apple store that I have in my phone, and this is how it looks. I wish it was like this, but it's okay. I'm very happy with the earphones, and it comes with the charger jack that it has. And let me just connect and show you. Okay, you connect it here and you start listening to the songs. Let me check if I can play some song. Play, 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 dismiss, play. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, oh, you can actually hear it from here, guys. So that was about it. Thank you guys. Do like, share, and subscribe, and also comment if you have some reviews. If you also have bought earphones, Apple earphone, do let me know how is it in the long run. And I think the wires are a little they're not that strong. We need to keep it really careful. Thank you guys for watching my video. And one more thing, these are available only in white. You don't have color options for this. And yes, I would like to cut this much and then use it like earpods, but no, I cannot do that. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to update you guys on two things that I ordered from my iPhone. This is a pouch where you can store your iPhone, and this is a back case, a transparent back case from the brand EgoTude. So I'm missing out on the tripod, so I have to shoot it with my hand. So this is how it is. It's a transparent case, and it is not that soft kind of material that you have that I usually was using for Android phones. This is quite a sturdy material, but it is like very stiff. You cannot bend it very easily, as you can see. It says, but the quality is really good for the amount that I have paid. I have paid like thousand, no, not thousand, like 300 change. I'll place the link in the description box. You guys can go and check it. So this is exactly how it is. Total transparent. That is how I want it. Okay, I'm finding it a little difficult to do it from one hand, but you don't have to struggle much. Just okay. So this is how it is. Everything is placed properly. But what I'm seeing here is there is some obstruction to these two knots. So, but it's anyways closed, so it doesn't matter. You have this place to charge your phone. That is not covered here, and this is not covered. But yes, I feel very secured. I think you guys also should go buy the case, because spending too much and then not taking of the care of the product is a big no. So if you like this transparent case, then I would put the description in the link in the description box. So this is how it looks. It's a total transparent. Nothing much to say about this. Only the thing I would say is it is sturdy material. It's not flexible though, but the overall look is good. I mean, your product is secured. And one final thing, I wanted to check if this with the case, will it go inside the pouch? Okay, it goes, but it's little difficult, as you can see here. You can see here with the case, it doesn't accommodate, the pouch doesn't accommodate with the case. So you need to store it without the case. If you're looking for this, then this is of no use for me, because I wanted it with the case. So that's about it. You can, if you want to use it without case, then you can go for this pouch. It's really good. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do like and subscribe.